Hey guys, I finally got the proper Spectra to replace the temporary lazy jacks by the permanent ones, and that's exactly what I'm about to do. So take a look. So that Spectra goes all the way up and down. Okay, so what do I need to do now? Let's get one of these low friction rings. Spliced in here, like so. Shouldn't be too hard. Now if I had the other end, I could make the long one go through this small one. But, well, I'm gonna try it. And down it comes again. Okay, I had to bring that line down again, because I need to put that end through there to lock the splice. You can tell that I'm winging it, can't you? Okay, that will never come off. And now, the last bit, put this end inside the long one. And I'll try to cut these things all the way. Let's try these ones. Okay, that's better. Okay, that's one done. And now the other one. And that's the second one. Okay, and now let's get the lazy jacks. Okay, so I've measured the lazy jacks, the temporary strings I had there, and basically it's something like this. This going to the mast. That's 135 centimeters. I'll add 15 for the splice. So that's 150 from there to there, times 2 equals 300. Then we have another piece here like that, and that's 185 plus 15 equals 200 times 2. The other piece, it's 205 plus 15, that's 220 times 2, so 220 here, 220 there, 440. So I need a piece with 300 centimeters, another one with 400, and another with 440 for this part of the lazy jack, this part, and this part. Of course, this is only one side. And I'll use just this copper wire to do the splices. Right, so I've put a mark 10 centimeters from the tip and then another 10 centimeters for the loop. This is the 10 for the tip and 5 that I added there on the measurements. So this should be enough for me to put a small Ronstan choke through there. See, that's the loop will be closed here. Just like that. Of course, I'm not going to make this a tutorial on how to do a locked splice. There's plenty on the internet. Okay, so this is the first or the middle of the lazy jack. This stretch here. And at the end of it, for the third and fourth lazy jack legs, I'm going to use one of these Ronstan shocks. I planned on using only 3 lazy jacks, or a lazy jack split only in 3. Then I changed my mind and I split it in 4. So, which means I would need 4 of these, and now I only have 2. And since I don't want to pay $20 postage for a $14 piece, I'm going to wait till I order some more stuff, and then I'll get the next, or the last 2 I need to complete the lazy jacks. For now, it will just go loop Spectra on Spectra. On the other end, it should be fine. Right, now 3rd and 4th parts of the lazy jack. You've gotta be kidding me. Okay, for now, let's just do this so I don't lose any of it. Okay. These are the 1st and 2nd, and I'm going to put these through. They're already through the middle one, so I'm going to put these through the ring. Until it reaches the middle section of the lazy jack. Yep, that one. Okay, I guess we're kind of ready to start assembling the buttons. These are marked first and second. Not that it makes any difference because they can slide, but it's to differentiate from the other end, the third and the fourth, which are different lengths. Okay, number one goes through there. And I'll do the second one, which is this one. Yeah. Okay, first button is in. Let's try and get this in. Up. Yep, that works. Through the loop, button through, through there. Okay, that's mostly done. It's looking all right, I guess. A lot better than it was before with just a sail cover. And I hope I don't get annoyed with the buttons, the sail buttons getting stuck on the lazy jacks when I try to hoist the sail, because this Spectra wasn't cheap. And that's all I have time for now. So guys, stay safe. See you next week.